Badoo is built around the principle that it's easier and compatible for people to meet and chat if they are nearer, hence allowing people to access your approximate location like a place or a city. But if for some reason you don't want to show location to other people or just turn off the location of yours, here's how you can do it. Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Guide. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can turn off our location in Badoo. Let's go ahead and do it. First, you need to go to your home page of your Badoo account. Now at the bottom right corner, click Profile. Now on the top, you have Settings. Click on it. Now it comes under Privacy. So click the Privacy setting. Now show location is currently turned off itself. If it were turned on, you need to turn this off by toggling this to off. Now your location won't be visible to others, nor will Badoo suggest people based on your location. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. For future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel Quick Guide. Until next time, bye bye.